Hey guys, today our topic is not based on my decision. I picked up a comment from the comment box that I got it and we are discussing today topic is lookup. Okay? So we are having many ways to create lookup, like using code we can create a lookup, using without using code also we have a option called auto lookup. So today we are going to discuss lookup based on using auto lookup. Okay, so in future session we'll definitely create lookup using code as well. Please stay tuned. Okay, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe for further updates. Now what we can do is we have two tables here. One is VP master table and other one is a VP child table. Okay, now and also I have a relationship between these two tables. Like for me VP master table and for VP child table I have created a relation already. Okay, see here, for this particular master table ID. Okay, and also for the particular table field ID. For this both IDs I have created a relation. So now what is the main factor that we have to do? We have to create lookup, right? So what we have to do is we have to navigate to the master table now, and there is a, in field groups we have auto lookup. Okay, in field groups we have a auto lookup. So what are the fields that you need to see in a lookup? You have to add, you have to drag and drop here. Okay, so I think I have already added Aadhaar, city and PAN. Let's delete one. You can add in this way, Aadhaar, drag and drop. Okay, or what you can do is I'm deleting city. You can do in this way as well. Right click on auto lookup, click on new field. After that go to the properties. You can select from here as well. Okay, what is the field? City, right? So in this way also you can do it. So I have added this particular three fields here, right? And now what I have to do is I have created a form. Okay, after creating form I have added child table data source. Okay, where I have created lookup, I have created a lookup in master table. Okay, so I have dragged this child table to the data source, and I have added these fields into the grid. This ID and city I have dragged and dropped to the grid. Okay, that's it I have done. Let's see how we can able to see the lookup now. Okay, save it. After saving, run this particular form. By first what we have to do, we have to set this form as a startup object. Okay, first we have to set this form as a startup object and later we have to run the form. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. It takes a bit time. So if you are you can just comment it below what are the topics that you wanted to know. I'll just try my best to give, I'll select any of the comment and I'll try to do a video on it. Okay. So build is completed. Build is completed. So it will open the form. No problem. You just rerun it again. So let's see. So now the form has been opened, right? Now what we have to do is you have to check where exactly this lookup is going to affect. Let's just click here. See here what we have gave ID already, as we have created relation. So that's the reason you are able to see ID, because we have not added in auto lookup, we have not added any like field called ID. But why ID we are able to see means we have created relation. We have created a relation here with the ID, so that's the reason it is creating a lookup. So what are other things that we have created? PAN, Aadhaar, city, right? So here PAN, Aadhaar, city we are able to see as a lookup. Okay, in this way we can create a lookup without using code, because already we have auto lookup option, so that we have utilized this. That's it guys. Thank you so much. Bye.